My name is William Cruz and my advisor is Chunyun Lin. My study title is Gender Difference in Spatial and Non-Spatial Short-Term Memory Tests with Different Levels of Immersion. Previous studies on spatial cognition indicate that the hippocampus formation plays a role in the short-term retention of topographical information. Furthermore, it is well documented that the hippocampus and the dentate gyrus play an important role in the formation of episodic memories, as well as the exploration of new environments. In addition, the subicular complex lying between the hippocampus and the entorhinal cortex has been found to be implicated in working memory, and contains pyramidal neurons which project into the entorhinal cortex. Finally, the activity patterns in the entorhinal cortex have been associated with allocentric information and appear to contain grid cells, thus providing the neuronal basis of a spatial map that allows landmarks to be encoded. The test initially developed in the Hartley's study, the 4-mountain test, uses a force match to sample short-term memory paradigm for testing the spatial and non-spatial aspects of visual scenes. The results of this study indicate that the hippocampus is a domain-specific buffer of topographic information even during short periods of time. It was found that the subjects with medial temporal lobe damage and in particular parahippocampal damage showed impaired topographical memory. In the present study, we explored the memory of the spatial relationships of the element within an environment independently of the subject's initial viewpoint, also known as allocentric information, and how it varies with gender when testing elements of different nature. These are our independent variables, mountains and statues, which can both be considered as landmarks. In addition, and for testing different levels of immersion, we develop a PC and a VR version of the test, using the same paradigm as in the 4-mountain test. As part of this study, we also want to confirm whether the retention of non-spatial information during short periods of time, such as time of day, cloudiness, and general light settings, follow the same pattern of results obtained for spatial information. We consider these non-spatial features to be equally important components of a scene that might result in the recruitment of the same neuronal components described before. Some of our hypotheses are as follows.